Hi guys, today I will show you how to make Windows 7 or 10 PCs faster. If your PC running very slow, you can increase its performance by following few steps. Here I will show you few essential tips for speed up your Windows computer or laptop. Let's start friends. First we have a command. Go to the run, type temp, hit enter. There is so many files, you can select and shift delete. Now it's deleted. Then next is percentage temp percentage. There is too many junk files, you can select all and shift delete. Some files are used in your system, so you can skip this. Next command is free, and now another command is prefetch. Continue, select all, and now delete all the junk files. Close. Another command is clean mgr. Go to the run, type here clean mgr, hit enter. This cleanup option is open. Select your drive, C drive, okay. Select all the programs, okay. Delete files. You can run this cleanup also from here. Go to the my computer, right click on your C drive or any other drive, go to the property. Here you can see disk cleanup. You can also run from here disk cleanup, okay. Now disk cleanup is completed. Next another command is disk defragment. You can run this command. Go to the my computer, right click on C drive, go to properties and tools. Here is a disk defragment. Now select the drive and analyze the disk. It is working. It is take some times, so it is completed. You can close the option. Now it is on progress. Friends, if you like this video, so this is the command, this is the tips for speed up your Windows running PCs or laptops. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.